Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past question. Question number 34 rather says, which driving overtaking can best be encouraged? Which driving overtaking can best be encouraged? This simply means for a driver driving behind another vehicle, for he or she to overtake, what situation or condition should he or she overtake? Now, option A says bridge, and bridge is self-explained. B, narrow road. We all know what narrow road is. That is tiny road. Tiny road. Is it on tiny road? Then C, sharp road. That is a road that is sharp bend, rather. That is road that is curve. That is curve in nature. That has something of this nature. Then option D, steep road. When we talk of steep road simply means road that is not straight. It is also curve. One can also curve. Say curve road. Then straight road. Road that is expressively straight on its own. That is straight, that the driver driving behind can see ahead of the driver, that he or she can actually overtake. So by this explanation, option E is correct. So for driver to overtake the driver ahead of him or her, it is best done in a situation where there is a straight road. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.